Good morning, friends. Myself Richa. So today I'm going to talk about the repressor of operon as well as operator of operon, how it works. So basically, repressor always works in trans-acting mode. This you have to remember. Second point here, which is important, that is operator always works in cis-acting mode. Cis, cis-acting mode, right? So basically, they act locally. Cis means they act locally. Right, and repressor means they can travel across. You can see here repressor is coding by I positive gene and it is traveling across and they are affecting the expression of this gene, right, as well as their own gene also. But in case of operator, it will always act locally. Basically, operators, you can see here, operator are 6 acting elements. That means they are DNA sequences on the same chromosome that regulate the genes located near them. So they will regulate the same gene. They will not traveling across here and here, right? But repressor has the property of traveling and they can affect another gene expression also. So basically, another examples of 6 actings are promoters, enhancers, silencers, and the operator in the bacterial operons. These are all cis-acting. So you can see here cis-acting, promoter, enhancers, silencers, and operator. These 4 are working in cis-acting mode. And what about trans-acting? Regulatory proteins like transcription factors and repressors always works in trans-acting mode. So like you can see here, I positive basically is producing the repressor here and it is affecting the function. So it will bind to the O positive gene. So repressor will bind here to the operator. So no transcription will happen of Z positive and Y positive. But here in this case also, repressor is getting formed from this own IE positive gene and it will bind to the O positive, so no transcription here. As well as here you can see here I negative means that means there is no active repressor. So here there is no active repressor is found, so it is not getting bounded to the O positive, right? But since repressor is trans-acting, so it will travel across and stop the movement, stop the activity of another operator also. So this is the meaning of trans and cis acting. So basically, most of the questions like you can they can ask like what are the various things which operate in cis acting mode. So promoter, enhancer, silencers, and operators always acts in cis acting mode, and transcriptional factors and repressors always act in trans acting mode. These 2 things you have to remember, right? So thank you. I hope you understand well. Thanks.